Which planet is closest to the Sun? The answer is Mercury. What is the nickname for Mars? And the answer is Red Planet. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? The correct choice is Jupiter. What is Earth's natural satellite? And the answer is the Moon. Which star is at the center of the solar system? Time's up, it's the Sun. Which planet is famous for its rings? Time's up, it's Saturn. What force keeps the planets in orbit? Did you guess it? The answer is gravity. What is the shape of the Milky Way? Time's up. It's spiral. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? The answer is Mercury. Which planet is farthest from the Sun? And the answer is Neptune. What is the name of our galaxy? The answer is Milky Way. Which planet is the hottest? Did you guess it? The answer is Venus. Where is the Great Red Spot located? Time's up, it's Jupiter. What phase is the Moon when fully lit? The correct choice is full moon. Which planet is known as the blue planet? Time's up, it's Earth. What instrument is used to see distant stars? Time's up, it's telescope. What is a group of stars forming a pattern? Time's up, it's constellation. What do you call a person who travels to space? And the answer is astronaut. Which planet rotates on its side? The correct choice is Uranus. What is a shooting star, actually? The answer is meteor. Which is the largest moon of Saturn? The answer is Titan. Which galaxy is closest to the Milky Way? The answer is Andromeda. Which planet has the shortest day? The answer is Jupiter. What is the boundary around a black hole? The answer is Event Horizon. Where is Olympus Mons located? The correct choice is Mars. What is the sun's primary chemical component? The answer is hydrogen. What are comets primarily made of? The answer is ice and dust. How far does light travel in a year? And the answer is light year. Who was the first human in space? And the answer is Yuri Gagarin. Which planet has the most confirmed moons? And the answer is Saturn. Where is the main asteroid belt located? Here is the answer, Mars, Jupiter. What will our sun become at its end? The answer is white dwarf. What is a massive star's explosion called? Time's up! It's supernova! What is the sun's core temperature? The answer is 15 million C. Who was the first person on the moon? Did you guess it? The answer is Neil Armstrong. What is the moon's gravity relative to Earth's? The answer is 1/6. Where is the Kuiper Belt located? Here is the answer, beyond Neptune. What is a pulsar? Answer, rotating neutron star. What unit measures distances within our system? Answer, astronomical unit. Which planet has clouds of sulfuric acid? The correct choice is Venus. What is Saturn's density compared to water? The answer is less dense. What color are the hottest stars? Answer, blue. What is the speed of light approximately? Time's up, it's 300,000 km. What was the first artificial satellite? The correct choice is Sputnik 1. Which Jovian moon might have a liquid ocean? The correct choice is Europa. What is the mass limit for white dwarfs? Time's up, it's Chandrasekhar limit. What type of galaxy is M87? The answer is elliptical. What does a redshift in light signify? The correct choice is moving away. What is the universe's most abundant element? Time's up! It's hydrogen! What is the estimated age of the universe? Time's up! It's 13.8 billion years. That's it for today. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily trivia. See you next time.